To start, let's lift up the engine cover, set it aside. Now with the engine cover off, you can see the exhaust VVT solenoid right back here. The intake one is going to be the exact same, just on the front side of the engine, not on the back. The first thing I want to do is unplug it, press on this little locking tab, and gently try to pull the connector out of here, just like that. And then right underneath over here, there's a 10mm bolt that we have to undo. Go ahead and remove that. Set that aside. Take the VVT solenoid, give it a couple twists to break it free as you pull out, and a lot of times it'll be stuck in here because of the O-ring gasket that basically holds it in there. With a little bit of gentle prying, you should be able to pop it out. Worst case, we can use a very small pry bar. Try to pry out on it. Just be careful of what you pry on, you don't want to damage anything. There we go. Okay, pull it straight out. Oil might come out of it, especially if your car ran recently. Set this one aside, take your new one, line it up and slide it in. Make sure that it presses in all the way. Thread this on all the way and make sure that it's nice and snug. That's it right there. And of course, don't forget to plug it back in. Make sure it clicks. Perfect. And of course, at this point, you would want to put the engine cover back on, line it up, press it into position.